Hello viewers, I hope you were enjoying the last bit of summer. My daughter Alice turned 3 on August 27th. Let's just say we thought having cupcakes for her cake would be less of a mess, but it really wasn't in the end. Last month, I mentioned how volatility is the toll you pay to invest. For the S&P 500, we see on average per year 7.2 declines of 3%. 3.4 mild corrections of 5%, and even 1.1 corrections of 10%. A severe correction of 15% has happened once every 2 years, and a bear market of 20% has happened once every 3.5 years. I hear every day that there could be a pullback in the markets. If you say it for long enough, you will eventually be right. However, what is happening in the market right now? Here's a chart of the S&P 500 going back to 1964. What is important is the graph on the bottom showing what percentage of companies are moving higher. It is showing us that more than 90% of the companies in the S&P 500 are advancing. This means there is momentum behind not just one sector, but the whole market. Why is this important? On the graph, there are two green up arrows. They show there were only 2 times going back to 1964 where at least 85% of companies advanced, and they both kicked off multi-year bull runs. Bottom line, there are always going to be pullbacks in the market. However, there is a lot of evidence showing that the market could keep going higher. Follow us on Facebook at Pukalo Prairie Wealth Group. There's a link to our page below. As always, I'll be in touch next month with my thoughts on the markets. Talk soon.